Ever pondered over the question of how Binance Coin, a seemingly overnight sensation, came to be the titan of the crypto world it is today? Well, brace yourself as we unravel this intriguing tale. It all began in the year 2017, a time when cryptocurrencies were still a relatively new concept. A group of visionaries, led by Changpeng Zhao, commonly known as CZ, launched Binance. The aim was simple yet ambitious: to create a global platform for trading a wide array of cryptocurrencies. Within a year, Binance introduced its very own cryptocurrency, the Binance Coin, or BNB. A unique feature about BNB was that it was initially built on the Ethereum blockchain, making it an ERC20 token. However, Binance had bigger plans for its newborn. Fast forward to the year 2019. Binance took a monumental step by launching its own blockchain, the Binance Chain. With this, BNB transitioned from being an ERC20 token to becoming the native coin of the Binance Chain, a move that further cemented Binance Coin's position in the crypto world. The year 2020 was one filled with unprecedented events, and for Binance Coin, it was no different. This was the year Binance launched the Binance Smart Chain, a parallel blockchain that enabled smart contract functionality and compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine. This move revolutionized the use of BNB, making it a fundamental part of the Binance ecosystem. And here we are today, in the year 2023, with Binance Coin being one of the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. From being a means to pay for transaction fees on the Binance exchange, to now being used in various DeFi applications, NFT purchases, and more, BNB has truly come a long way. To sum up, Binance Coin's journey has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride. From its inception in 2017, its transition from an ERC20 token to the native coin of the Binance Chain in 2019, to the launch of the Binance Smart Chain in 2020, Binance Coin has consistently pushed boundaries and defied expectations. But remember, the world of cryptocurrencies is always evolving. And as the saying goes, the only constant in life is change. So, who knows what the future holds for Binance Coin? Only time will tell. Until then, keep an eye out, because the world of cryptocurrencies is a thrilling one, and Binance Coin is a testament to that fact.